Imagination Regional Meet. You are currently sitting in the Improv Challenge, whether you wanted to or not, but it's going to be fun. This is my favorite challenge. Like I've said before, I'm a little biased. But this team is in the middle level. The name of this challenge is Treasure. They're going to be searching for some treasure. They have worked hard the past few months to prepare for this, but the kicker is they have no clue what they're going to be performing today. They find out the same time you do. So that being said, we just want to make sure that we turn off our cell phones or put them on silent just so nothing is disturbed while they're trying to perform a nice scene for you. In this challenge, they are going to perform a cultural treasure, 2 explorers, and an unusual place to base the story upon. They don't know what those are yet because they randomly selected them out there. They'll find out the same time you do. To make things even more interesting, they're going to pick up a setback from right here in the middle of their scene to send their skit on a complete different end. Another thing that's going to enhance their skit is that little sheet that they're holding. They're going to use that in any way, shape, or form as a prop in motion. We'll see what they're going to do. Alrighty. So at this time, would you guys like to introduce yourselves and the team manager? I'll step out of your way.
Okay, so I'm Jeremy Phillips. Hi.
I'm Katie Lancarrick.
Hi.
I'm Dylan Phillips. I'm Jeremy brother, and our team manager is Tiffany Cloutier. She's over there.
Team managers are super important because you can't have a DI team without a team manager, so thank you. Yes. Alrighty, now before I give them their elements, they have given permission for filming, but they would not like any flash photography. That's going to disrupt them, so just film and snap away, but no flash. You guys ready to hear your elements?
Yeah.
Alrighty, so your culture is Christianity. Your cultural treasure is the Pope. Your 2 explorers are Ruth Benedict and Alice of Wonderland. And your unusual place is an abandoned house. And I will give you this to keep in mind what your unusual place is. Alrighty, you have 2 minutes, starting now.
Okay.
All set?
Yeah.
Alrighty. So now I'm going to put this in a designated place right here for you guys. And now it's ready for your 5-minute skit. Audience, are you ready to watch them?
Yeah!
Team, are you ready to perform?
Bark, let's go!
And appraisers, are you ready?
Who let the dogs out?
Alrighty, your performance time begins now.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. This is terrible. I'm sure you've heard of it, but the Pope has gone missing. Every Christian around the world is freaking out right now. Nobody knows where he is. Well, except I do, and I'm going to send you the photo.
Okay. Okay.
What's you guys' names?
I'm Alice.
And I'm Miss Benson.
Oh, all right. Nice to meet you too. I'm Sam. Take this map. If you can find them, I'll give you something awesome. Something really awesome.
Cool.
Good.
Okay. So
Um,
the map says we go that way.
yeah, let's go.
Are we?
Well, this is very strange.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
God.
Whoa. Oh my goodness, it's a windstorm.
Our map.
The map.
I gotta grab it. Oh,
Oh no.
Whoa. Are you okay?
yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay.
Oh.
Whew,
Oh.
that was terrible.
Well, that was scary.
Well, what's this? It's a big old house.
The windstorm must have taken us here.
Great.
It
That's where
says
we needed to go.
that we're supposed to be here.
Okay.
Let's
just go in.
put this down somewhere.
I'm the Pope. You just put this map on me.
You're the Pope?
I am.
Good in the map.
Oh.
Good on you.
That's good on you.
Just keep it.
You should.
You gotta get a
Fashion statement.
Okay. I'm gonna use this to get back, but after that, I'm gonna use this as mine.
Okay. Okay. Let's get back then.
Yeah, let's just. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, you guys got the Pope?
We have returned.
Yeah.
Why is he in the map?
He likes it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, so,
Fashion statement.
alright, come on, Pope, so you don't get lost again.
Okay, bye, Sam.
Wait. I forgot to give you this special item of awesomeness and stuff. And by that, I mean it's just a ton of gold here, take it.
Gold.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's,
What?
Well.
Okay.
well, you brought the Pope back, and it's the Pope. What's that?
I guess it's about